how to create and save camera presets for Pro mode on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Next, tap on the control button. Then we tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Then we scroll down and then tap on preset in Pro mode. Tap on the left hand side panel. And then to create a preset, you can choose to create from the current settings. So tap on that. This will allow you to create a preset from the current settings. You'll not be able to manually change the value here. So you can give it a name. And then tap on saved. Here you can also create a preset from a photo. So tap on that and then tap on the picture and you can view the value down here and tap on saved. And that's it. After that, you can go back into your camera, and when you're in Pro mode, you can load those settings. So here, if we go to Pro mode, you can use the preset that you have saved. In here, preset 1, morning sun, or preset 2. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.